Let's fill this suitcase up with 3 pounds of tannerite and shoot it. Stay tuned. So this is what the inside of the suitcase looks like. I'll be setting this 3 pounds of tannerite on top of here, like that. And I'll be throwing it down there by the creek. And don't mind all this mess right here. I just got done shooting a video. It was Smith & Wesson 500 mag versus Nerf gun. So once again, we are going to be using my Savage 223. And I don't know if you can see, but on that suitcase, I put some spray paint so I know where to shoot, and hopefully I don't miss. Alright, well, let's go and take a look what everything looks like. Yeah, no trip to San Juan this year, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. You just look at that. You guys can't really feel it or hear it, but I mean, it just shakes the ground and very loud. But don't forget to hit subscribe, because when we get 1,000 subscribers, I'll shoot a video of me shooting all my firearms. So this is what the inside of the suitcase looks like. I put a board in there, so this will just set on top like this. Son of a bitch.